I've lived in Altadena since 2014. I've loved it since day one. We've had fires before, but not like this. Not to this level of devastation and sorrow. I still relive those frightening moments every day since. I felt alone, left with nothing. But true to Altadena's nature, neighbors and friends came around offering anything that could help me cope with the pain. Once I was ready to rebuild, I knew I couldn't do it alone. I would need a team, a network to help me navigate the uphill battle I was going to face.
Hi, my name is Ed Rohn. I've been a builder in Southern California for the last 40 years. I specialize in custom homes and also commercial construction. I've always taken pride in having an ear for my clients' needs and working with a very close interface with the architects and engineers who design the projects. And I'm hoping to contribute to the rebuilding of Altadena.
Hi, my name is Art Melkonian. My company is Art Melkonian Construction, Inc. I have a doctor's degree of engineering. I will be happy to help Altadena people to rebuild their houses.
Hi there, my name is Vachik Gribian. I work with MLB Consulting and Engineering. Over the years, we've helped hundreds of thousands of people move back in, rebuild, build back better. It's very unfortunate events that happened, stuff nobody could control. But now this is something we can control and something as a team we look forward to helping out, providing our services where we can, and helping people move back into the homes that they should never have lost.
My name is Sokrat Arzumainen. I'm a real estate and loan broker, developer. All this started with an idea of helping one of our friends who lost everything in Altadena fire. We ended up putting together this great team, a truly one-stop shop of contractors, architects, engineers, city planners who are willing and eager to help everyone who needs help. OneAltadena.com is the website that you can go, get all the information, and contact us for all the help that you need. Anything you need, from A to Z, we're here, ready to help. Thank you.
Hello, we are the Bedrosian family, and we are one of the unfortunate residents that lost their home in the Eaton Canyon fires in Altadena. We have trusted this wonderful team to help us rebuild our new home, and we welcome everyone to join us.
Like the thousands of families in Altadena, it's been a challenging couple of months. And the hardest part is to figure out what to do, how to build. A lot of information out there, but it's hard to trust people. This whole journey started when I talked to one of my good friends, Sokrat, asked for his help. I wanted to know what to build, how to build, what's going to bring value. It's been great talking to him. He's put together this amazing team of architects, engineers, and contractors, and they're all here together today. So it's been good. It's been great. I really appreciate the team's efforts to help. I know they're sincere, and I'm very grateful for them.
I promised myself, regardless of the outcome, I would not leave Altadena behind. I owed that to the community who was there for me since 2014. I owed that to the friends I made in the neighborhood. I owed that to the businesses I will continue to support. This group would be the network I needed to help me keep that promise and keep Altadena together.